Well, we're in a bit of a different setting today, aren't we, Ben? We're not in the woods, we're in the lovely streets of the arse end of Birmingham, and we're going to do a bit of urban exploration, starting with a river that flows underneath Birmingham. Oh boy, this is where we're going to enter. We have no idea whether this is the right way to do it. Okay, here we are.
Tom,
what?
Down there.
Oh shit. We've got needles. There's no one here, is there? This is going to be a case of escaping junkies more than anything. Fucking hell, there's loads of needles here. There ain't a dead person under there, is there? Wow, here we are. This is amazing. This is not a side of Birmingham that many people get to see, really. You wouldn't know it was here. This is the River Rea. It looks quite clear, but apparently it can be filthy at times. But we are snaking our way underneath the grim belly of the Industrial Revolution. Lots of these little secondary drains, aren't there? At the moment it feels like it's just a matter of time before one of us slips on one of these little gullies of moss and mould. But we're bending round now, we're going under the Digbeth High Street, one of the most central roads in Birmingham. There's the custard factory, where they used to make custard. Really? I didn't know that. Hi. This looks quite dark. Oh mate. Into the abyss. Shit. That's a big tunnel. There is light down there. Isn't there? We're out of the tunnel. I think there'll be bigger ones. It is a walk through history, isn't it? All these old factories. Most of them are abandoned now. Oh my god. That is crazy. Corona?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Okay, we're getting to a bit of a sticky situation. Higher water line.
Is that dead duck? Oh mate.
It's that bridge up ahead. Oh my god.
It's a massive blockage.
It's like a beaver dam.
Oh, maybe it is. Look how high the water line's been. That's over a metre up.
Oh boy.
I think we might go here.
Got to mind your back against the wall as well. Pretty grimy.
Well done, mate. Put it there. Is it me, or is the water like crystal clear?
It really is.
I think this might be the end of the road. Let's have a look. You never know.
It smells lovely.
Yeah, it's got a pong to it, hasn't it?
Smells like the sea. Oh, there's like a dodgy handbag down here. How have these trees ended up in here? I don't get that. Right, looks like we can carry on though. Oh, that smells horrible. Oh shit, is that the end?
You really want to be on that side.
I know. How do we do it? You'd have to climb up here and then hang down that one over there. What do you say, Ben? What do you say?
I'll take the camera.
Okay, we did want to cross over to the other side so we can continue. And we did consider climbing over the tree. Sorry to disappoint, but we're not going to do that. We're going to climb up this instead, which may also harvest interesting results. Oh shit, it popped up there. I'm not hot on this, mate. Won't lie, that was pretty scary. But I'm off. Try and put pressure on the wall, because then you're putting less weight on the thing. It's precarious, isn't it? Yeah, get your arse on there. Mate, well done. You escaped from the river.
Ooh, into an absolute dog spot.
You right?
Yeah.
Like pushing you back down. We've escaped from the River Rea and we've Found ourselves in a needle-strewn, salty old condom-filled cesspit. So let's gingerly emerge from this bush, trying not to touch anything. Seriously, mate, where are we? We're meant to be in the middle of Birmingham.
It really is like the Lion, the Witch and the fucking Kraken, isn't it?
Oh my god, so many condoms and needles. Beauty box. We are, by the way, really close to the centre of Birmingham. Like half a mile from the bull ring. Fucking hell, there's like a bed up there. This is... Well, okay, we can't go any further that way. That's the end of the road, surely. I mean, I ain't crawling over that.
I was thinking, does it go further past that way?
Well,
Like, you know, like up.
I know, but how can we crawl over that? I think we've got to go back, haven't we, really?
Oh, it's a canal.
Ah! Fucking hell. Oh my god.
Should we get a beer from over there?
Why not? Yeah. What's going on over there then? What's going on? Really? Oh, we'll be right round. Here it is. Well, we found a bar for our efforts.
Yeah.
Some middle-aged rockers have invited us over for a drink. Bear in mind, I haven't been to a bar in 4 months.
Come to Birmingham quite easily and just get swamped in the, you know, the high street and it loses character quite quickly. But
Yeah.
that is very much what Birmingham's about, isn't it?
Yeah, you've got a railway track going over the canal. You've got a river that no one knows about going under the canal. And it's all Victorian or pre-Victorian, industrial, sturdy bricks. And it will be here for hopefully many centuries to come. It must be in here, mate. Because we were over there, yeah?
Yeah, there's the tree.
Oh, yeah. Cheers, mate. Two police have just gone down the little path that we emerged from. We saw a guy come out with a shifty look on his face, and here they are, they've emerged empty-handed. Either they've seen something so horrific that they had to leave, or they've missed their man.
I imagine that was a kind of a bit of a routine check on a quite favourable spot.
Yeah, yeah. And there you go, a day out in Birmingham.